רגע, מה אתה... שנייה, עוד לא התחלתי. Okay. So today, he's taking a video before I'm getting prepared mentally for this. Today is a glazing bisque.
לא ביסק.
My God, I'm losing my mind. Okay, so kiln, glazing kiln.
Who's that? What's his name?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe I should give them names. But this is, I like the glaze. It's turquoise, and it's supposed to be like a melting. So I actually put it only up to here. I dipped it because I was afraid it was gonna go over, and I didn't want it to go over. And this, it's like I take clay and I put it like in a lot of water, and then I mix it with a hand blender, and then I put it like in a syringe, and then I just like it's cute. Oh, look at the nose. Nice. We're making video.
We're
about
making a
it.
video.
Nice. I think I prefer the white clay. Maybe I can do like white clay and then black hat. I don't know. I still like it.
What's that?
It's a flower. What's that? What does it look like? It's a flower. I'm gonna put a stem here from wood. Yes.
This one has
I'm playing with his tongue. I like the way the clay falls. It looks like a cloth. Okay, now this was supposed to be a soup spoon that you broke.
Yeah.
Yes, you broke the handle. But I decided I like it anyway, so I just put like a little bit of glaze here, and I refired it. Okay. All right, guys. Up. Yes. 1, 2, 3. I wasn't sure if it was gonna melt down. What do you think? I think it's beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. Yeah.
Very nice.
It's for fruits. Yeah, because when they have more air, they don't rot quickly.
Wow, that's a nice mug, cup.
Mug, cup. I don't know. Look at that. That's a slip. White slip. But it's weird. I think I'm mixing something up. I need to check because I actually wanted to do the other glaze, and I think I made a mistake with the numbers because they look the same. But it's nice.
Yeah.
I wanted it to be the green one that I have with the dots. I think I made the same mistake with the plate.
They are cute.
Thank you. Yes, I'm gonna refire it. I thought
Why?
because I think I want it to be. I want to put clear glaze that I forgot to put in. This is a little tiny gnome.
It's a baby gnome.
It's a baby gnome. Look at this. I like it.
Yeah.
Wow, this is not what I wanted. I made a mistake with the glaze that I wanted. I mean, it's still pretty, but it's not what I wanted.
Mm.
It's not the glaze that I wanted. I made a mistake with the numbers. I mean, I think it's gorgeous.
Yeah. It's like matte, right?
Yes,
Doesn't have a gloss.
yes. But that was not, it was not my intention. But it's beautiful. I mean,
Yeah.
it is beautiful, but it was not my intention at all. Okay. Well, you learn. You learn. Okay, so. Shalom. Shalom. Salam.
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 Salam alaikum. Peace.
Very nice.
That should be like the main thing today. So, you see, this is what I wanted, and here I made the mistake. Because you see, this is the glaze that I wanted, and what happened was, because they're the same color, that was my mistake, you see? I wanted to patch up, like, places that I thought that they didn't come out right,
And use a different
and I used a different glaze.
Mm.
Well, but I think that it's beautiful, this. I'm just gonna have to do more cuts, that's it. And more plates. That's okay, I don't mind. That's it.
That's it.
Thank you for watching. You know what to do. Subscribe and like and comment and
Share.
share. Sharing is fun. Thank you. Bye.